Hey guys, welcome back to Shane's Getting Handy. Today we're working on my Mini Cooper. It's an R53 Mini Cooper S 2003, and I'm going to show you how to remove the throttle cable. Throttle pedal. Yeah, that's the one.
Basically, there are two pieces to the throttle pedal assembly, and we really only care about the big one on the left. That's actually the throttle, and it just slides off to the left. You're going to want a big screwdriver, something to jam down in this little hole here. Point is, we need to push down on the release tab, but be super careful not to break it, because I've read lots of people online saying they were jamming things in here and, you know, it broke, so don't do that. But anyway, you'll see it snaps past the first spot, but there's another one it's a bit of a trick to get at it, but you got to get it in there past the second spot. So once that's released, push to the left, everything comes apart, and Bob's your uncle. Now, of course, through the magic of video editing, I made it look like this took me 10 seconds, but really it took me like 10 minutes because I had a lot of fiddling and figuring out to do, but luckily I, show you how to do it the easy way so you don't have the same problem. I was going to tell you how to push the buttons on that, but I'm pretty sure you figured it out already. So while I was down here, I found some Cheerios and it made me hungry, so I'll be right back. Oh, those are the tabs you had to pop the thing past, Dang, these Cheerios are kind of stale. Be careful putting this in because you don't want it, to break. Hey, there it goes. Make sure that snap is connected all the way up in.
Well, there you go. Quick, easy, short one today. Hope it helped. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you around.